toilet's not working correctly. Gonna flush it. Alright, so now here's gonna be the problem. Now the float is gonna start floating, which should shut off the valve, which it does not shut off the valve. See, now it's past the fill mark. Keeps filling. And this is going to go on for anywhere for 5-10 minutes, just wasting. So anyways, we're waiting for this to stop. Anyways, we're gonna gonna squirt bleach everywhere. Alright, so now here we go. See, now it's not stopping. This is all the way up. It's still just flowing. Wasting water. Water bill's pretty high up there. Alright, so what we're going to do from this point on, we're going to come down here, turn off the actual water. So now it's going to obviously stop filling. We're going to drain the water now. Keep it open. Get as much water you can out of there. Now let this sit for a second. Alright, not working. Gonna close it. Alright, so now we're gonna take a turkey baster down here in the corner. It's a little lower down there. Every toilet's different, but we're gonna get majority of the water out, much as we can. Alright, we're gonna do this for the fact we don't drain water over the floor. Rather simple process instead of making a mess. Still put towels all over the floor, just in case we don't leave a huge mess anywhere. But gonna remove majority of the water in the first place. Alright. I'm gonna spray some more bleach in here just because toilets are known to be gross in the first place. Next, just gonna loosen the actual water connector, which this is gonna leak. Nothing really can do about this. It's just gonna leak. You're gonna have to let the towels do its job. Alright. Okay. So down here, I have a nut. Gonna have to get a crushing wrench. Get in here. Really just need to loosen it slightly, and then you can use your fingers the rest of it. So there's gonna be a little bit of water. It's better than without the turkey baster. Alright, loosen it up, pull it out, throw this away. Okay, for our kit it has these little adjustable marks. So we're going to stick it in here first. Apologize, going to put the gasket on here because it's going to sit a little higher. That's silly. Alright, put the gasket on. And then we're going to kind of see where we kind of want this ball valve. See, a little too high. Little marks. Just going to screw it down a little bit. Let's go down to the 10. A little 10 right there. 9, 10. Every toilet's gonna be different. Okay. Push that down and lock it in. So that should be fine. Shit like this. Alright. Okay. Now this is pretty cool too. It's gonna actually increase and decrease the actual water flow into the toilet. So I'm gonna put this on here. A little pinch. It's not gonna do much, but hey. It's not like a lot of water pressure is going through there. Alright, this is pretty cool too. A little flow valve that actually goes into your toilet. Alright, can tighten that down. Same little thing. Alright, so then it's going to go try not to break it because it seems pretty dang flimsy. Alright, there we go. Okay. That's kind of weird. It's going to stick up a little bit. And then we can rotate this around. Alright. So now, going to go ahead and adjust this right now too. Kind of give it an estimation of where the water fill valve right here. Kind of get that pretty much in right in the middle of it. If we need to, we can also push this up a little bit more. See how that does first before I start playing with it. Okay, so gonna get the nut. Kind of like this other nut more. I can actually see if this one threads on there. Cool, threads on there. So I'm gonna use the other nut. The nut's pretty dang cheap. I'm not gonna get a real nice tight fit on there, so that's just a review on me, I guess. Alright, crescent wrench. Okay. Looks like we're sealed. Smooths freely. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this float valve right now. Looks pretty good in condition overall. Gonna leave it. It did come with this one. I'm going to go ahead and just save this right now. Came with this little plug you put in like that. So then what you're going to do is, if you want to replace it, every toilet's different again. Pretty sure this just pops off. I don't want to break it. That seems pretty cheesy. But anyways, I'm going to pop that off. Literally just place this back on here, unhook this onto this chain, and replace everything. But I'm going to go ahead and save this for maybe another toilet, or eventually this will probably break and I have to use it for this. So I put this in a safe place so I can use it again. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is just connect the water back up. This just goes hand tight. Get it relatively tight because you don't want any water leaking. Alright. Alright, let's see what happens. So that's a lot of water flowing in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. Alright, got 4. Got a little decent water going in there. We're going to come down here, make sure there's no water coming out, nothing coming out. Alright, let it fill up. Alright, so we're going a little low. It's going to get it perfect. Okay, let's go and flush it. Alright, see how this feels. Very cool. That's right on the line. Alright, well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Very easy, simple process. Alright, guys.